Good morning, children. Welcome to class 4 Moral Science. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, chapter 9 Selfishness Brings Sorrow. What is selfishness? Selfishness is thinking about oneself only. A selfish person is one who is concerned about his own happiness and gain. If a person is selfish, who is concerned about himself only and he does not concerned about other people. That means he is not bothered about the way others live, suffer or die. In what way others live, they suffer, they live or die. These things he will not consider. Such behavior is known as selfish. Selfishness. So a selfish person is not sincere. He will not be loyal to his friends. People will try to avoid him. He will not have good friends. Because of his selfish behavior, he will cheat even his friends. So selfishness is not at all good. It's a bad quality. Selfishness is a very bad quality. It brings sorrow and misery. We know that we are all human beings, social beings. Human beings are social beings because we all live in a society. And we need the help of others and others need the help of ours. We must help and support one another. We must learn to share what we with others. But a selfish person will take what others have. He will never give others what he has. Understood? A selfish person will not share his things to others, but he will take the things from others. Such a behavior is known as selfishness. So this selfishness is a very bad quality and it brings sorrow and misery always. And here is a story that shows the selfishness brings sorrow. I will read the story. A story is told of 3 robbers. Robbers means thief. And what is their occupation? What is their job? Theft. So each one of them was selfish. And these 3 robbers were selfish persons. They got together only to steal. One night, they robbed a rich man's house. They found plenty of gold and cash. When they tried to divide it among themselves, they began to fight. What happened? These 3 robbers joined together to rob a rich man's house. And one night they robbed a rich man's house and they got lot of money and cash. Gold and cash they got. And they decided to divide it among themselves. But when they started to divide it, they began to fight. That means each one wanted the biggest share. Each one said, I need the biggest one, I need the biggest share, I need the biggest share. Like this they fought each other. So one of them said that they could divide it later. So they kept the gold and cash under a tree in the forest. They spread a sheet over it and went to sleep. And the next day they woke up. One of them said that he would go to town and bring some food. One man said that he would go to town and he would bring some food to all. The other 2 agreed. This person bought the food and poisoned it. What was the plan of that man? This man went into the town and he bought some food and he mixed poison in it. And what was his plan? He thought of killing the others and taking away all the gold and cash. And his plan was killing the other 2 people and taking away all the gold and cash. But what was the plan of the 2 other people? The 2 other robbers planned to kill this person as soon as he returned with food. They thought that when he returned from the town, they would kill this person as soon as he returned with food. They thought that they could take half each. They thought that if one man died, then the cash and gold they could take half each. So as soon as the man came with food, they robbed him and killed him. They were very happy and started eating the food. After killing that man, these two other people were very happy and they started eating the food. But it was already mixed with the poison. So after some time, both of them fell dead as the food was poisoned. As the food was poisoned, both of them fell dead. Thus ended their selfishness. So they three of them died and their selfishness also ended. Okay, none of them got the money and gold. Okay, so this was the end of the selfishness. That means selfishness always brings sorrow and misery. It will not bring happiness. Clear, all of you? So you also have to avoid the selfishness from your mind. We are all human beings, so we have to share our things with others. Don't cheat others. Don't keep this selfishness in our mind. Okay, understood, all of you? Then all of you take out your page number 36. Question answers are also there. I will explain the question answers. Very simple 3 question answers are there. Listen. Answer these questions. Who is a selfish person? Who is a selfish person? A selfish person is one who is concerned about his own happiness and gain. Who is a selfish person? A selfish person is one who is concerned about his own happiness and gain. Okay. Then next question. Why is selfishness bad? This selfishness is not a good quality, no? Why it is bad? What is the answer? Selfishness is a very bad quality because it brings sorrow and misery. It's a very bad quality because it brings sorrow and misery. It will not bring happiness. Instead, it brings sorrow and misery. That is why it is a bad quality. Okay. Then, how does selfishness bring sorrow? We learned that selfishness brings sorrow. How it brings sorrow? Due to the selfishness, people will cheat even friends. This leads to loss of happiness and brings sorrow. Clear? Due to the or because of the selfishness, people will cheat even their friends. This leads to loss of happiness and brings sorrow. Happiness will lose and brings sorrow only. Okay? Understood? These 3 question answer. These 3 question answer all of you have to do in copy. So read this lesson 2-3 times and answer these questions in your copy. Okay?